Did you know that a single day in 1948 forever altered the course of an entire nation's history? On September 9, 1948, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea was proclaimed, birthing a nation that would become one of the most enigmatic and controversial on the world stage. But let's rewind a bit to understand how the Korean Peninsula, a unified land for centuries, became starkly divided, giving rise to what we now know as North Korea. Picture this. It's 1945. World War II has ended, and with it, the 35-year Japanese occupation of Korea. Freedom should have been sweet, but instead, Korea found itself at the mercy of two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. These Cold War giants cut the peninsula in half at the 38th parallel, each setting up its own zone of influence. It was meant to be a temporary measure, a way to prepare for a united Korean government. But the pen of division would soon carve deeper than intended. Imagine the tension as the Cold War set in. On one side, the Soviet Union bolstered Kim Il-sung, a fierce communist determined to helm the North. On the other, the United States threw its weight behind Syngman Rhee in the South, who promised a capitalist and pro-Western Korea. The ideological chasm grew, turning the pursuit of unity into a distant dream. The North was gearing up for a communist state under Kim, while the South bore the hallmark of American democracy. Fast forward to 1947, the Soviet military had withdrawn, leaving behind a well-organized, ideologically solid North under Kim Il-sung and his Korean Workers' Party. It became clear where this path would lead. And on that fateful September day in 1948, Kim Il-sung declared the birth of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Pyongyang was anointed as the capital, a symbol of the new socialist dawn. The establishment of the DPRK was not just about a new governance. It was a seismic shift, igniting tensions that would soon explode into the Korean War in 1950. 2 years on from its establishment, North Korea's southern and northern halves were embroiled in a brutal conflict, a war marked by displacement and devastation, echoing the grim realities of divided dreams. In today's world, the echoes of September 9, 1948, still resonate. North Korea stands as a formidable political entity, cloaked in secrecy, its foundations laid down by Kim Il-sung's vision. This division remains a crucial player in global geopolitics, a legacy from a day that shaped and shattered a Korean dream.